भारत में महंगाई इतनी बढ़ क्यों रही है?
Now, inflation is sky high across South Asia and other parts of the world. But there is one bright spot, and that's India.
Rising inflation in India.
Is your portfolio inflation proof? Inflation is going to kill your portfolio. This is Shalini Gera, certified financial planner. Do you understand the impact of inflation on your portfolio? The average CPI inflation in India in the past 10 years has been 7.5 years. But as individuals, the inflation which tends to affect us is food inflation at 6%, medical inflation at 14%, and education inflation at 11%. I'll explain this with an example. अगर आप एक आईफोन खरीदना चाहते हैं जिसकी कॉस्ट आज 1 लाख रुपए है, तो इसी आईफोन की कॉस्ट अगले 1 साल में हो जाएगी 1,07,500 रुपए। और अगर आपने अपने बैंक अकाउंट में इसके लिए 1 लाख रुपए छोड़ दिए तो वही 1 लाख रुपीज कंपाउंड होके हो जाएंगे 1,02,500। यानी कि नाउ यू हैव अनदर 5,000 रुपीज लेस टू परचेज द सेम आईफोन इन अनदर 1 year. If you plan for your child's education in another 5 years and the cost of education is 10 lakh rupees today, then education cost will inflate to 17 lakh rupees in the next 5 years. And if you plan to invest for that in fixed deposits, then the fixed deposits at 6% are going to grow to 13 lakh rupees in the next 5 years. That means a differential of 4 lakh rupees to plan for your child's education. This is the impact of inflation on your finances. So is your portfolio indeed inflation proof? Here is what you need to do. First of all, understand the returns delivered by an asset class over the long term. अगर आप रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं तो don't get swayed by the returns delivered in the past 1 year, but understand what is the return that has been delivered by real estate in that area in the past 10 years. And secondly, you need to ensure that you are investing in inflation proof assets. Inflation proof assets क्या होते हैं? जो कि आपको इन्फ्लेशन से ज़्यादा रिटर्न देते हैं ताकि आपका पोर्टफोलियो नेट पॉजिटिव रहे. What are examples of inflation beating asset classes? Equity, that is equity mutual funds or even direct stocks, are wonderful examples of inflation beating asset classes in the long term, which are known to give you 12% plus returns. Hybrid mutual funds are also another good example of inflation beating asset classes, which are known to give us 10% plus returns in the long term. Gold is also a good inflation beating asset class, having known to deliver 10% returns over the long term. Why don't you tell me what are your favorite inflation beating asset classes or even inflation beating stocks? अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो हमें जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए. This helps us a lot. Please do share this video with your friends, colleagues and family circle. This is Shalini Gera signing off.